Good morning, students. Topic for today is invitation. This topic is for class 12th. In today's class, we will discuss about the format of invitation, marks criteria, words. All these things will be discussed in this way. First, we will discuss about invitation. What do you mean by invitation? Invitation means to invite someone. In other words, we can say that it means to invite someone. This is also base word. Base word is invite. This is the base word. And in this word there is the suffix. In suffix you can say that morphemes. Morphemes like that ation, ing and ities. These are the morphemes. These are the fixed morphemes that added with some words and that change the meaning of the word. In this word, the base word is invite, and after that there is also adjoining of some morphemes, and the morpheme is ation. It means suffix. Now, types of the invitation and how many marks. First we will discuss about the format. What is the proper format as per the guideline of the CBSE. After then, marks, how many marks carry an invitation, that it carry 3 marks. And words, the same words as that we have discussed, approximate 40 words. Don't exceed to 50 words. This is the words criteria of invitation. This is the marks and format that will be discussed. Now, after that, types of the form invitation. Types of invitation. There are 2 types. First one is formal invitation. Informal, there are 2 types. First one is printed invitation, and second one is not printed invitation. Not printed invitation. Second one is informal invitation. Informal invitation. These are the 2 types of the invitation. First one is formal, informal. There are 2 subtypes. First one is printed formal invitation, and second not printed formal invitation. Second one is informal invitation. In the formal invitation, that the word also indicate formal, common, that we also invite our friends, known, maybe unknown, and in the printed, that we also write down an invitation in a printed form, that we can say that invitation card, that we received and give invitations to our friends as well as relatives. Second one, not printed invitation, that we also want to invite, we invite our relatives, our friends and knowns, and we also write everything like that: sender address, after that date, receiver address, subject and content of the invitation. And informal letters, these types of the letters that written to be relatives and close friends, in relation, that may be brother, sister, father, mother, and in this way that we also invite our close friends. Such type of the invitations that known as informal. Students, you have also learned about the letters, that the same pattern to be followed in the invitations, but there are some difference. We will discuss first one, length of the words, criteria of the words of the letter as well as invitation. There is a big difference. After that, content and many more things that to be discussed. Next one is marks. Every invitation that carry 3 marks. 1 marks for format, 1 marks for expression, and 1 marks for content. Content, that what we want to write in the invitation. Format, what is the actual format of the invitation. And expression, in expression the grammatical accuracy. Grammatical accuracy. All these things to be seen in this topic. And after that, exercise of the invitations we will discuss in the next video. Thanks and have a nice day.